Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious potato wedges in the air fryer. They come out delicious. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these amazing potato wedges in the air fryer, these are the ingredients. We need salt, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, vegetable oil, and to start, the potatoes. This is everything you need, so let's get started. To prepare these delicious and amazing potato wedges in the air fryer, we need to wash them, scrub them really good, making sure that there's no debris on them. Once you have them nice and clean, then you decide if you want to leave the skin or you want to take the skin off. I am going to leave the skin, but I want to show you how to cut your potato wedges. You want the potato wedges to almost be the same size. And you always want to use large potatoes because they're going to be so crispy from the outside, but really moist from the inside, moist and soft. So here, look at this. So easy to cut, and they all come out almost the same size. That's why I want to show you step by step how easy it is to make your potato wedges at home and enjoy them with your beautiful family. Well, here I am going to stay slicing away my potatoes. I want to show you from close up so that you have an idea how to cut your potato wedges. Look at this. So easy. And what I really love is that this recipe is made in the air fryer. So it's less oil and the flavor is just amazing. They're going to come out so crispy and delicious. Once you have all your potatoes ready, let's put them aside and let's continue with the seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon of every seasoning here. Of course, you're going to have all the ingredients in the description box. I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, any kind of oil you could use. Olive oil, coconut oil, any kind you have at home. Once it's nice and incorporated and you could really see that everything is incorporated into the oil, then we're going to go ahead and start adding the potatoes into parchment paper to make it easy to clean my air fryer. And then I'm going to drizzle right on the top the seasoning with the oil. Remember, we're not using too much oil. It's only 2 tablespoons. But you really want to cover all the potatoes with the seasoning. So don't be afraid to move everything around and make sure that everything is nice and coated. Once you put it in the air fryer, there's no need to move it around. Just leave them with the skin down. I really love leaving the skin on the bottom so that the skin gets really crispy. Look at this. I'm just going to move them around, get everything ready. I am going to preheat my air fryer and we are going to cook them 450 Fahrenheit for 17 minutes. Remember, every air fryer is different. Just keep an eye and make sure that they're really crispy. What I really love from the air fryer is that you use very little oils. And always remember that the salt is to taste. You really want the potato to absorb those amazing seasoning. So here, this is ready. I'm going to wash my hands and then we are ready to take it and put it in the air fryer. It's only going to take 17 minutes, but they're going to come out so delicious. This is how I'm going to start getting ready my air fryer. 450 Fahrenheit and then the minutes. I am going to cook it for 17 minutes. No more than that. You really want them nice and golden brown. And this is ready. I am ready to put my potatoes inside my potato wedges and then close it. And then I'll come back when it starts beeping and they've been getting nice and crispy for 17 minutes. So I'll see you in a little bit. It really doesn't take too long before you see the potatoes really crispy and golden brown. And now you're ready to put it in the presentation plate. Look at this. I am going to transfer. And of course, you could add any dressing. You could add ranch. You could add sweet and sour, regular ketchup, even chili oil. I am going to add the little oil with the seasoning left over on the parchment paper. I don't want to leave that behind. And now I am going to drizzle a little bit of the parsley, dry parsley right on the top for the presentation. I am ready to enjoy. Like, subscribe, and share. This is a very easy and delicious recipe that I know that you guys are going to love. I am ready to taste. I'll see you in a bit. Beautiful family, this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Wedges in the air fryer with ketchup. What else can you ask for? Let's see how this came out. Crispy from the outside and nice and tender and moist from the inside. Excuse me. Oh. Delicious. My friends, I am completely done with this potato wedges made in the air fryer. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these delicious and healthy potato wedges made in the air fryer. See you soon. Bye-bye.